Hi, welcome to Yoga Flow with Kim. I'm Kim, and today I'm going to guide you through a very simple peace practice. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, and we'll start in mountain pose. So start with your feet hip-width apart, in line with the long edge of the mat. Root through the heels, activate your legs, tuck in the tailbone, pull the navel to the spine, roll the shoulders back and down, reach down through the fingertips, lift through the crown. Take a deep inhale, reach the hands out and overhead, palms come together, and exhale. Bring your hands to your heart. Again, like that. Inhale, reach the hands out and overhead. Big breath in. And exhale, hands to heart. So, the Sanskrit term for peace is Shanti. So this time I invite you to chant Shanti with me on your exhale. Inhale, reach the hands out and overhead. And exhale, Shanti. Now I'll proceed to a Sun Series variation and include Peaceful Warrior, of course. When you're ready, inhale, reach the hands out and overhead. Exhale, hinge at the hips, swan dive, forward fold, tuck your chin. Inhale, halfway lift, fingertips press to shins, lengthen the spine. Exhale, fold, bend your knees, plant your hands, step or lightly, float back to plank. Lower knees, chest, chin, or chaturanga, elbows hug the ribs. Inhale, roll the shoulders back and down. Lift through the heart space, cobra or up dog practice. Exhale, tuck the toes, lift the hips, back to down dog. Inhale, float your right leg high to the sky, three-legged dog. Exhale, draw your right knee towards your nose, then step your right foot between your hands, ground through your left heel. Inhale, reach the hands high to the sky, warrior one. Exhale, cactus the arms, squeeze the shoulder blades together, open the heart and chant Shanti. Two more like that. Inhale, hands high to the sky. Exhale, chant Shanti. Again, inhale, reach the hands high to the sky. Exhale, Shanti. Inhale, back to warrior one, and exhale, open the body to warrior two. Inhale, open your right palm. Exhale, reach your right arm up overhead. Let your left fingertips lightly glide down the back leg or wrap around the low back. Open the heart. Think of inviting the qualities of the peaceful warrior into your heart for others and for yourself. Take a deep inhale and exhale, Shanti. Inhale, open the heart space even more, lean back. And exhale, cartwheel your arms until your hands frame your right foot, spin on the ball of the back toes, and step the right foot back to the left, down dog. You can hold here for the next few breaths or go through a flow. Inhale, lower to plank. Exhale, knees, chest, chin, or chaturanga. Inhale, open the heart, cobra or up dog. Exhale, use your core, lift the hips back to down dog. Inhale, look between the thumbs, bend the knees, step or lightly hop to halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, root to rise, reach the hands out and up. And exhale, hands to heart, Shanti. Now we'll do that same sequence on the opposite side. Inhale, reach and stretch. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold, bend the knees, plant your hands, step or float back to plank. Lower knees, chest, chin, or chaturanga. Inhale, open the heart, cobra or up dog. Exhale, tuck the toes. Lift the hips back to down dog. Inhale, float your left leg high to the sky, three-legged dog. Exhale, draw your left knee to your nose. Then step your left foot between your hands, ground through your right heel. Inhale, reach your hands up, warrior one. Exhale, cactus the arms, open the heart, Shanti. 2 more. Inhale, warrior 1. Exhale, cactus the arms, Shanti. 1 more. Inhale, hands high to the sky. Exhale, Shanti. Inhale, warrior 1. Exhale, open the body to warrior 2. Inhale, open the left palm. Exhale, reach your left arm up overhead. Let your right fingertips lightly glide down the back leg or wrap around the low back. Open the heart, gaze up at the sky. Invite peace into the heart space for others and for yourself. Take a deep inhale. Exhale, Shanti. Inhale, open the heart even more. And exhale, cartwheel your arms until your hands frame your left foot. Spin on the ball of the right toes. Step the left foot back to the right, down dog. You can breathe here or go through a vinyasa. Inhale, rotate to plank. Exhale, knees, chest, chin, or chaturanga. Inhale, cobra or up dog. Exhale, back to down dog. On the next inhale, look between the thumbs, bend the knees, step or float your feet to your hands and halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, root to rise, gaze upward. Exhale, hands to heart, Shanti. Take your heels on the outer edge of the mat, toes off the mat, press firmly into your fingertips at your heart center. Big breath in. Exhale, bend the knees, sink the hips to Malasana. Take a deep inhale. Exhale, Shanti. Lower your hips on the mat, bring your hands behind you, and make your way to a comfortable seated position. Close the eyes for a moment. Notice how your breath feels. Notice how your body feels. Notice any subtle shifts in your mood or your mind. When you're ready, bring your hands back to your heart. Take a deep inhale, biggest breath in you've taken all day. And as you exhale, Shanti. Press the hands into the heart space. May there be peace in your heart. Bring the thumbs to the mouth. May there be peace in your words. Bring the thumbs to the third eye. May there be peace in your thoughts. Reach your arms out in front of you. May there be peace in your actions. Thank you so much for sharing your practice with me today. I hope you have a wonderful, peaceful day. Namaste.